In the tapestry of literature, certain voices resonate across time and space, their words imbued with a timeless wisdom that transcends cultural boundaries. Khalil Gibran, the Lebanese-American writer, poet, and artist, is undoubtedly one such voice. His writings, infused with profound insights into the human condition, continue to captivate and inspire readers worldwide. Among his many celebrated works stands as a testament to Gibran's unique ability to illuminate the depths of the human experience with lyrical prose and thought-provoking parables. Born in 1883 in the mountains of Lebanon, Gibran's life was a tapestry woven with threads of love, loss, exile, and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge and spiritual understanding. These experiences would profoundly shape his literary creations, imbuing them with a depth and resonance that continue to touch the hearts and minds of readers generations later. A collection of prose poems and parables is a testament to Gibran's singular voice, a voice that speaks to the deepest yearnings of the human soul. In the pages of, we encounter a cast of characters who, like us, grapple with the complexities of life, love, and the search for meaning in a world often shrouded in uncertainty. Through their stories, Gibran invites us to question our assumptions, challenge societal norms, and embark on a journey of self-discovery. With its evocative language and timeless themes, serves as a gateway into Gibran's rich literary landscape, beckoning us to explore the depths of our own humanity. To truly appreciate Khalil Gibran's writings, we must journey back to his roots, to the land that nurtured his spirit and ignited his literary flame. Born in Bashari, a village amidst the majestic mountains of Lebanon, Gibran's early years were steeped in rich cultural heritage. The ancient cedars and rhythms of Arabic verse left an indelible mark on his soul. However, political turmoil and economic hardship cut his idyllic childhood short. In 1895, at 12, Gibran's family emigrated to the United States seeking a better life. This migration exposed Gibran to a melting pot of cultures, broadening his horizons. The bustling streets of Boston contrasted with the serene mountains of his homeland. Yet it was here that Gibran's artistic talents flourished. He immersed himself in literature, art, and philosophy, drawing from both Eastern and Western traditions. Khalil Gibran's writing is a harmonious blend of lyricism, philosophical depth, and spiritual insight. His words flow like music, their rhythm and cadence captivating the reader's senses while simultaneously stirring the soul. This lyrical quality, evident throughout his works, is particularly striking in where Gibran employs a poetic prose style that elevates his parables and reflections to the realm of art. Beyond their aesthetic beauty, Gibran's writings are imbued with a profound philosophical depth. His works grapple with fundamental questions about the human condition, the nature of love and loss, the search for meaning and purpose, and the relationship between the individual and society. Gibran explores these themes through the lens of madness, presenting a unique perspective on societal norms and the often arbitrary nature of what is considered sane. Underpinning Gibran's philosophical musings is a deep-seated spirituality that permeates his works. While not confined to any particular religious doctrine, Gibran's spirituality embraces a universal longing for connection, transcendence, and the divine. This spiritual dimension is particularly evident in where Gibran's characters often serve as conduits for exploring the nature of the soul, the search for enlightenment, and the interconnectedness of all beings. Published in 1918, stands as a pivotal work in Khalil Gibran's literary career. Through a series of parables, poems, and prose vignettes, Gibran invites us to journey alongside a cast of characters who challenge societal norms and dare to embrace their own unique truths. The titular Madman, often misunderstood and ostracized, becomes a symbol of the free spirit, unburdened by the constraints of convention and societal expectations. One of the central themes explored is the concept of identity. Gibran encourages us to question our perceived selves, to peel back the layers of societal conditioning and embrace the multifaceted nature of our beings. As the Madman proclaims, "I am not this hair nor this flesh, I am the soul that dwells within." This emphasis on inner truth over outward appearances is a recurring motif throughout the book, challenging readers to look beyond superficial judgments and connect with their authentic selves. Another prominent theme is the transformative power of love. Gibran's portrayal of love transcends the romantic, encompassing a universal love that extends to all beings. He writes, "Love one another, but make not a bond of love. Let it rather be a moving sea between the shores of your soul."